curious about what a floor may look like in your home? Seeing what a floor will actually look like in your space is one of the most effective tools for helping you make the right choice. Putting technology to our use, room visualization tools provide this option, allowing you to take a photo or use an existing photo of your actual room and switch out the floor with any options you're considering. There are no apps to download, and you can access it from either your desktop computer or any handheld device. Simply take a picture and watch your room transform. In the filters, you can select the category of flooring, the collection, you can isolate by the species or the color. You can also rotate your flooring and change the direction or change size. While the visualizer tools highlight the color and the pattern of the flooring, please note that the surface texture may appear smooth. And as with all samples, Visualizer may show a small portion of the floor and may not fully represent the color and natural grading and the character variations of the natural hardwood. For best results, make sure your room is well lit and remove loose items from the floor. Additionally, you have the ability to save those pictures and share them with your community. In the description below this video, you will find the links to the current brands that offer the Room Visualizer tools. If you found this information to be helpful, please like and share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we post new content.